Cheese is one of the essential foods of many cultures. Besides, hardly anyone dislikes cheese. Most people love it as a topping on their favorite dishes. However, grating cheese with a conventional grater is not very practical. It takes a long time, and you sometimes scrape your knuckles. That is why you need one of these best rotary cheese graters in your kitchen.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best rotary cheese grater. So let's get started. Number 5. Round Mandoline Drum Slicer Rotary Cheese Grater. Durable and easy to use, the round Mandoline drum slicer is also very stylish. Made of food-grade materials, it is also safe around your foods. This cheese grater has 3 interchangeable barrels for fine or coarse grating and slicing. The barrels have to key in place, so they do not get damaged easily. Its blades are made of high-quality steel to give consistent cuts for a long time. The body is made of ABS plastic, which is as well very durable. Capable of grating different foods e.g., fruits, carrots, potatoes, radish, nuts, chocolate, cabbages, breadcrumbs, cookies, pumpkins, etc. It is very versatile. And it does all of these very quickly. Number 4. Westmark 11,722,260 Trio Rotary Grater. The Westmark 11,722,260 is a product of high standards. German engineered, this rotary grater comes with 3 interchangeable barrels for varied results. Each one of these drums is made with high-quality stainless steel. The handles and body are made from ABS plastic, which are durable and food safe. Easy to use, simply select what grating type you want. Fine grating, coarse grating, or slicing? You got it. Hard or soft cheese, as well as fruits and nuts? You got that too. Right or left-handed? The handle can be fixed on either side, so it will work just fine for you. To add, this handle is designed to be very comfortable. Number 3. Westmark Multipurpose Rotary Cheese Grater. 5 decades of experience. Well, that experience has been put to good use. The Westmark Multipurpose Rotary Cheese Grater is one of the most dynamic on the market. It has 4 interchangeable stainless steel drums. Made with top-grade materials, stainless steel and ABS, you get a hearty item. Simply select your drum of choice and get it rolling. You will either get coarse/fine grating, slicing, cutting, or shredding depending on which barrel you choose. Fitted with a non-slip suction base, it remains firmly in place while in use. Usable for hard and soft cheese, as well as nuts, it is a versatile item. Easy to dismantle and clean by hand, it is also dishwasher safe. Number 2. Vivaant Professional. The Vivaant Professional is easily the Swiss Army knife of handheld rotary cheese graters. The grater comes with 2 blades and 2 portable containers that can be attached to it. Store the cheese as you grate, isn't that great? It can grate cheese as well as vegetables. The design of the handle makes it easy to get a grip on and apply adequate pressure on the cheese as well. The blades are kept well away from your fingers and skin, so there is no chance of a mishap. This, coupled with high-quality build materials, makes it a superb choice. Number 1. Zyliss Classic Rotary Cheese Grater. The Zyliss Classic is quite comfortable to use. Designed to be used in both homes and in restaurants, it gets a lot of work done in a short period. This cheese grater comes with a hardened drum. This drum's sharp holes are capable of grating both soft and hard cheese. It even grates chocolates and nuts as well. NSF Restaurant certified this product is safe for use around your food. It is easy to dismantle for easy cleaning and its handle can be switched to either side. This switch allows for an overall comfort of use by both left-handed and right-handed folk alike. That was our list of the top 5 best rotary cheese grater just for you.